Bring home the bacon with powerful affiliate marketing tips. There are many benefits to you as an affiliate when doing affiliate marketing. You take pride in your blog/website, why not earn some rewards by advertising for companies that you strongly believe in? This video will show you how to make a little money off something you already enjoy doing. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the company you are advertising has a good reputation. Doing business with a disreputable company can be detrimental to you in two ways. You may be forced to wait for large amounts of time to get your money, and your customers' trust in you will diminish. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product. Half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links if you give them a good reason to do so. Use the links to complement the content on your site. If you're trying to sell books, include a short review of the book and explain why you are recommending it. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be sure you list your site in all of the major directories. If people do not know about your site, there is no way you will generate any traffic. You have to put yourself out there, and be aggressive if you want to have a chance to be successful. You have now learned how to use your blog or website to earn a little bonus through affiliate marketing. Take these tips seriously, and you could get a nice little bonus from basically doing nothing except allowing a company to advertise. Very little work on your part, and it helps both you and the company out. Student loan.